I'm a Salesforce and a Velocity developer, and basically I'm focusing more on Velocity. So this is my new YouTube channel where I'll upload more videos on Velocity and Velocity CPQ stuffs. Would basically cover all the topics of Velocity as well as different scenarios that we come across in our live projects, as well as tough projects that can be possible in Velocity. So stay tuned with me, and thank you for joining this video. So let's start. So when you are I'm assuming, let's say you already know about a CPQ. What is CPQ? And you already must have known about Salesforce CPQ, which is a very famous Salesforce CPQ tool for a Salesforce. So there's one question arise whenever you start something on a CPQ front, and you already know there is a Velocity CPQ and Salesforce CPQ. Why there is a two CPQ in the same Salesforce industry? So I'm going to answer this on this video. So let's start with what is Velocity CPQ. So Velocity CPQ is the CPQ package for a velocity front, and if you know about velocity, it's mainly come because to provide an industry specific solution. That's why it's also called as inside a Salesforce industry, inside a Salesforce ecosystem, or you can say Ohana. So basically, Velocity CPQ is a module which provides a CPQ solution to the specific industry in communication, media, energy, and utilities industry mostly. So this CPQ come because to provide with its already present automation tools and objects to handle the CPQ part of this industry. And so we can say that to provide a industry specific solution for communication, media, and utility, we in the Velocity CPQ do exist. Now, other CPQ is a Salesforce CPQ. So you already know about Salesforce CPQ, where you do about all sort of product restructuring, bundling, and all sort of operations on a CPQ front. But here it's already a very famous in CPQ, and it is not industry specific. It's very generic for all the industry that Salesforce has, and it is applied all solution to all the industry in the Salesforce. So it's like a billing application that is can be generic and can be solve all the requirements related to different industry. Now there is one more question come: why there's a need of a two CPQ? Already the Salesforce CPQ provides the solution to all the solutions. So Velocity CPQ come because it has some already inbuilt standard packages that or the solution that provide the faster solution to the requirement coming related to the communication, media, energy related operations, and basically the CPQ things. So Velocity CPQ come to provide a more faster or more better and more performance driven solution to this industry related to this CPQ thing. That's why the Velocity CPQ come into front. Now there was one more question that you guys can ask: which is to choose? I mean, if there is a project related to particular requirement or CPQ, what you can choose. So if your project is related to the communication, media, and energy utility related industry, then the best thing to choose is a Velocity CPQ, because it will provide you a more faster, better performance and all related things, because it already also it provide all the solution in a very faster way, because it already has a standard packages for solving all stuff that these industry requires. So I hope you guys like this video, and it's a very basic question that generally comes into your mind. So I thank you for watching, guys, and please like, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon, so that it can also helpful for me to upload more videos on Velocity. And thank you, guys. Thanks for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it.